Then we're going to go over pinning important chats. As you go through and create more prompts, you're going to find that the list gets quite long. Now, you might get some of these chats that you might want to remember, and you don't want to go through the whole list. So what you can do is you can go here and pin them by clicking on the three dots and pressing pin, and then pin again. And what it's going to do is pin that chat to the top of the list so you can go to your important chats again and again. Another thing I can do with these different chats is I can go down here and share it to another page that Gemini will create. And if I click share here, I can create a public page to share. And now to find that public link for the public page that you shared, you just go down here to settings and you click on your public links. And here it will show the link to that public page.